We are now going to do what they call algebraic symbol manipulation. Instead of solving and getting a number answer, we're just rearranging things. They want to see if you really understand what the process is of solving an equation. If I look at this and I want to get the n by itself, what do I do to the 18?
You would drop it down to the m.
And make it?
A positive.
And when I make it a positive 18, I really can't combine those because they're not like terms, so they're just going to put it beside it instead of underneath because we can't add them together anyway. So n is going to equal m plus 18. That's all they're going to have you do. They want to see, do you know? Oh, I got to add it when I move it over.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So number 5 says solve it for y. I want to get the y by itself. So what do I want to do?
So we want to get the y alone. So you want to drop and make it a positive. X, y equals x plus 7.
Exactly. I put x plus 7 equals y, but it's the same thing as y equals x plus 7, right? So number 6 then, they didn't even put a number in there because they're still checking. Do you understand the process? If I want to get the x by itself, what am I going to do?
You're gonna, I'm going to say x equals
Yep.
c minus b.
Exactly. I got to minus that b when I move it over.
Excuse me.
So x equals c minus b. Exactly. So it looks weird, and when they tell you to solve it, you're thinking, oh, I got to get a number answer. Well, no, they just want you to rearrange it. Get that variable by itself. Now they're going to do the same thing with the multiplying and dividing steps that we had before. So if I have a equals 3w, and I'm going to solve it for w, what am I going to do with that 3?
You're going to divide it by a.
I'm going to divide the a by the 3, right? The 3 is going to go underneath.
So a divided by 3 equals w.
Exactly, and it is case sensitive, so when you type it in, you do have to type in the capital A. If it's lowercase, you'll type in lowercase, but if it's capital, they'll want you to do it that way. So number 8.
How about the fraction way that you do your division? Do they want us to do it that way too?
They're not going to put a division sign, you have to do it as a fraction.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we did anyway, except for when we had fractions.
4, 3 equals.
So number 8 has h equals a over 4. I want to solve it for a, so what do I need to do?
So you're going to go a equals h times 4.
And how do you show h times 4 in algebra?
H4 with the h in the parentheses?
4 with just the h right behind it.
Right
Don't need
behind
the
it.
parentheses, right?
Okay.
4h means 4 times h.
Okay.
We just put the number right in front of the letter. So number 9, if I want to solve that for m, what do I need to do with my g?
Put it underneath your w.
Exactly, I'm dividing that, and so m equals w over